Before you watch my video, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification. $200 of oil, onion seed, fenugreek seed and cumin seed, half teaspoon each. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon grounded fennel seed and coriander seed, 2 medium size sliced onion, 1 kg raw mangoes. Pour oil in a wok and heat it. Put the mixture of onion seed, cumin seed and fenugreek seed. Now add onions and fry it. Add grounded fennel seed and coriander seeds. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and salt. Saute it for a few minutes. Add little water and saute it again. Now add raw mango pieces. Mix it well. Add half glass of water and close the lid. Now cook it for 20 minutes or until done. Open the lid and turn the masala up and down. Your masala curries are ready to serve.